SAP corporately, Magna, but in the plant level, we're here today at Fabtech 2026, 6S Partners with our partnership with Epicor, reaching now 20 years in vintage. We're featuring a number of customer case studies. And we're very proud today to talk about the fact that when you're watching hockey, you're watching Epicor and 6S Partners in action. The boards, the nets, the scoreboards, the ice machines, and Zamboni all use Epicor. So don't get stressed, choose 6S and Epicor.
So if I'm at a CNC and my machine goes down, I can indicate. Guys, this is Jeff here with 6S Software, representing ShiftWorx, our cloud-based machine monitoring solution where we connect to any machine regardless of brand or type across various industries. Check us out at machinemonitoring.com, and our factory in a box here is on display for you to see as well. Guys, this is Jeff.
Companies that are startups.